Hello students, today we are going to do question number 14, 15 and 16 of exercise 2.2. Question 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denomination 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? So whenever we get these in ratio, we say let rupees 100 notes be 2x, rupees 50 notes be 3x and rupees 10 notes be 5x. जो 2:3:5 है उससे हम 2x, 3x and 5x respectively लेंगे. Now how do we find कि हमारे पास total कितना amount है? Suppose मेरे पास 5 notes हैं 10 rupees के. So what is the amount with me? Number of notes into the denomination. 5 into 10, 50 rupees. तो यहाँ पे 2x notes हैं 100 rupees के plus 50 notes हैं 3x के plus 10 notes हैं 5x के. And this total is equal to 4 lakh. Or we can say 200x plus 150x plus 50x is equal to 4 lakh. Or we can say 400x is equal to 4 lakh. So x will be equal to 4 lakh divided by 400. Or we get x equal to 1000. So how many 100 rupee notes will be there? 2x, which will be 2 into 1000, 2000. 50 notes of 3x. So 3x, that means 3000. And 10 rupee notes of 5x. That means 10 rupee notes, 5 into 1000, 5000. Question 15. I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of a denomination, rupee 1, rupee 2 and rupee 5. The number of 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupee 5 coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? So यहाँ पे हम लेते हैं let rupee 5 coins be x. Now it is given that number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. तो अगर हमने 5 rupee coins को x लिया, then the number of 2 rupee coins will be 3x. Right? Because it's given it is 3 times that. अब total number of coins 160 है. तो हमारा जो third बाकी है, that is 1 rupee coin, वो कितना होगा? That will be 160 minus 5 rupee coins, which is x, and 2 rupee coins, which is 3x. So basically, हमारे 1 rupee coins will be 160 minus 4x. These are our rupee 1 coins. Because total coins 160 है, उसमें से 2 rupee coin 3x है, 5 rupee coin x है, तो बाकी कितने बचे 1 rupee coins, that is 160 minus 4x. Now we know कि हमारे पास total amount rupees 300 है. So 1 rupee coins which are 160 minus 4x will multiply with 1 plus 2 rupee coins हमारे पास 3x है, so 2 into 3x, and 5 rupee coins हमारे पास x है, and this total is equal to rupees 300. So 160 minus 4x plus 6x plus 5x is equal to 300. We have 160 plus 7x is equal to 300, or we can say 7x is equal to 300 minus 160, which is 140. So x is equal to 140 divided by 7, which comes 20. So the 5 rupee coins which are x, that are 20 coins. 2 rupee coins are 3x, so 3 into x, that is 3 into 20. We get 60 coins which are for 2 rupees. and the 1 rupee coins that are 160 minus 4x, that is equal to 160 minus 4 into 20, that is 80. So therefore 1 rupee coins are 80 in number. The organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. So let's take the number of winners as x. Let the number of winners be x. So those who did not win, they will definitely be 63 minus x, because the total number of participants are given as 63. Now the winners get rupees 100. So the money which goes to winner x लोगों को 100 rupees मिल रहा है, so that is 100x. And the money which goes to the non-winners, so money which goes to people who do not win, who don't win, that is equal to, वो लोग कितने हैं, 63 minus x into 100. That means, sorry, not into 100, since they are getting 25 rupees each. So 63 minus x into 25. So which will give, now the total money distributed is 3000. That means is money or is money ka sum is going to be 3000. So we have 100x plus 25 into 63 minus x is equal to 3000. Or we can say 100x plus 25 into 63, which will come as 1575, and minus 25 into x, 25x is equal to 3000. 100x minus 25x, that is 75x plus 1575 is equal to 3000. Or we can say 75x is equal to 3000 minus 1575, which comes as 1425. Or we can say x is equal to 1425 by 75. If you divide, you get it as 19. So they are asking the total number of winners, which we assume to be x. X is coming as 19. So the total number of winners are 19. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.